Hi everyone, Katie from Safewise here to unbox a very special package sent to us from the folks at Lorex. Inside this is a smart home security center designed to be a central hub for your Lorex cameras and sensors. Lorex is known for free local storage options, no monthly fees, and super high quality cameras. They're also known as one of the leaders in the NVR and DVR systems if you prefer an old school offline approach to watching your home. You can check out a couple of our past reviews on Lorex cameras if you want to learn more after this. With all these cameras under Lorex's belt, they've designed a smart home security center as an answer to smart speakers from Google and Amazon. Just like the Echo Show and Nest Hub, Lorex's speaker has a virtual assistant, 7-inch touchscreen display, and even a face unlocking feature. But what I'm excited about with this box is that Lorex's security center comes with a huge combination of different cameras and accessories. So I'm not totally sure what's included in this box other than the hub itself. So let's find out. And lots of paper. Oh boy. Okay, we have our first camera. There's the home center itself. And more packaging. Ooh, and a third mystery box. Okay. So we have, this came out of its wrapping a little bit. We have the 2K pan and tilt Wi-Fi camera. Let's see, it looks like it's got a fairly normal field of view, two-way talk, night vision, person detection. You get a lot of the standard features with a lot of other cameras, but it's better video quality, no monthly fees. It's got local storage options included. And it looks like it's a pan and tilt, so it'll move around. You can get a better view of the room. That's pretty cool. Okay, here's the center itself. Oh, oops. All right, let's take a look at this thing. Got some literature. Okay, this is pretty big. We've got all of the power options. If there's a USB port, that looks like a refresh reset button. We've got speakers. This will be the screen that you'll use. Camera off and on. So it looks like there is a built-in camera in here too. So not only will you use it with your other Lorex stuff, it will be able to watch from here. And then we have an Ethernet cable and a power cord. Pretty simple. Okay. I bet setting this up will be fairly easy, but those are some famous last words. And then finally, this mystery box. What is in here? Oh, there's sensors. Okay. So we've got, there we go. We've got the Lorex setup guide, door and window sensor. Okay, so it looks like there's just one. Oh, it's already beeping. Okay, let's take a look. Got a reset pin. I think this is the door. I've never seen one like that. That's round. They're always kind of like candy bar shaped. Okay, this is Bluetooth sensor. This must be a motion sensor. Ta-da! Looks like power cable, some adhesive, pretty standard stuff. And there you have it, the Lorex Smart Home Security Center. I'll be taking this home today and setting it up for the review for next week, so be sure to like and subscribe to see how it goes. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.